Hi, girls. Today we have a new book. The title of our story is Venus, the Fly Trap Who Wouldn't Eat Flies. Story is written by Donna Latham and illustrated by Paige O'Rourke. Our story today is about a Venus flytrap. Have you ever heard of a Venus flytrap? I want you to stop and pause the video and think to yourself, looking at the pictures, what is a Venus flytrap? If you said that a Venus flytrap is a plant that eats flies, you are correct. I want us to turn to pages 2 and 3 in our story. And here on pages 2 and 3, Mason says, Venus is a little different. Want to know what's different about her? Yes, she doesn't catch flies. Well, I just said that a Venus flytrap is a plant that catches flies. Why are we reading a story about a Venus flytrap that doesn't catch flies? Should be interesting to find out. Here on page 5, Mason asks Venus if she would eat a crunchy cricket. What letter do you expect to see first in crunchy? If you said C, you are correct. Find crunchy on page 5. Underline it and say it. Here we go. Here is crunchy. Starts with a C. C-R for crunchy. Let's clap crunchy and find out how many syllables crunchy has. Crunchy. 2 syllables. Very good. Now, let's turn to page 7. On page 7, Mason says, fly traps aren't like other plants. How are they different, you want to know? Well, fly traps, they can't make their own food, so they have to eat bugs. Oh, that's different. Think about what other plants do to eat that they make their own food. Stop the video, pause, and think about it. If you said that plants use the sun, soil, and water to feed themselves, you are correct. On page 8 and 9, can you get an idea from looking at the pictures on how Venus feels about bugs? Oh, yes, she says, ew, 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 and covered her ears. Find the word covered, underline it, and say it on page 8. Here's the word covered. It starts with the letter C, covered. And now we're going to go one more page to the last page of the story. How does Papa Longo get Venus to eat a fly? He does. He gives her a piece of pizza that has a fly stuck to it. You're going to go back to the beginning of the story and read about the fly trap who wouldn't eat flies. Hope you enjoy.